Hello everybody, welcome back. This video was actually filmed last year, but for some reason I did not upload it. So since my face is still very sore, I decided to just upload this video because I love the way that this look turned out. So I decided to recreate Nicole's glitter alien look that she did, and yeah, I'm trying to put a bald cap on, and I went in with some house scissors instead of like smaller. In this clip I'm using eyelash scissors, and they worked a lot better. The back of my hair is bad, or the back of my head, but for this video I knew I was going to be taking this look off as soon as the video was over, so I didn't care what the back looked like. But if I was going to go out in public, I would definitely make sure that the back it would look better. Now I'm just applying some spirit glue and going to lay the bald cap down. I was amazed on how quick it worked. I thought that it was going to be like eyelash glue and you would have to hold it there for a couple seconds. I did not experience that. I just literally applied it to my face and then stuck it, and it worked great. If I sound tired, it's because it's 5:30 in the morning right now. My dogs woke me up, and I decided just to film this voiceover so I could get it uploaded and done for the day. So now I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild face palette, and I'm picking up this purple cream color. And as you can tell, it was taking forever. So instead of, and I was using up like all of the purple. So instead, in a little bit here, you're going to see that I go in with some blue and red body paint, and I just mix them up. And then I apply that to my head, and it worked a lot better. It is a little dark, but I fixed that later. Nicole's was definitely way lighter than mine, but like I said, I go in a little bit later and I fix that. So here I'm just taking some white and I'm dabbing that all over my head. And then I go in with a sponge and I kind of soften out all of the lines. And then this gives me the purple color that I originally wanted. Now I'm going to go in with this light pink color and apply that, or like dab that all over my head. So here is the fun part. I'm going in with some glitter. So I started to use the spirit glue. I can't remember if that is what I used for the entire thing. I'm not quite sure, but I just went in with some glitter and I applied that to the bald cap, and I love the way that it looked. And now I'm just going in with some pink eyeshadow. This is one of my really old Morphe palettes that I still have, and yeah, I'm just applying that to the eyes. At this point, I didn't really care the way that the eyeshadow looked like. Nicole went in with some purple. That is my dog. Went in with some purple eyeshadow, but I wanted to keep it a little bit brighter, so I went in with some pink. And now I'm just going in with a brighter pink on my eyelid. And then I'm taking some white to highlight it a little bit and to soften that pink just a little bit. Now I'm just taking some eyeliner and I'm gonna line the my top eyelid. That doesn't even sound right. And then I went in with some, I gave myself a little bit of a wing. And then I went in with these eyelashes. I don't remember what kind of eyelashes these are, but I want to say they're from Kiss. And then I'm going in with just some pink and purple face paint. And I'm just dabbing that all over my face. I really liked the way that this looked because it wasn't all one color. It was a little bit of both mixed in. And now I'm just going to take that pink and blue all the way down my chest here. I'm going in with a little bit of blue so then I can get that purple look back. So here I'm going in with some yellow and it's not working. So instead of doing yellow, I just went in with more of the glitter. And I think at this point, I stopped using any adhesive to keep the glitter on because the face paint was still tacky. So it just stayed on that way. I am literally taking this glitter all over my face and on my body. And then there was a line from the bald cap to my face. So then I just took these gem sticker things that I got from the Dollar Tree and I put that on the outline so you couldn't see where the bald cap ended and my hair, my face, my skin started. Does that my skin, you get what I'm saying. Now I'm just taking some gems and I'm applying them to my eyebrows. I am using some eyelash glue to get the gems to stick. I remember it being a little hard because of all the glitter, but so that's why I had to go in with some eyelash glue. And now I'm just applying some gems all over my head. And I'm just having a lot of fun at this point. So I will be putting a lot of them on. I went in with some purple, a dark purple on my lips. And then I went in with some, I don't even know what color that is, to be honest. A metallic color, I'm assuming. And it looks like I just went over all of that with a silver eyeshadow. And now I'm just taking some of that same shade and putting it on my eyelids. Of course, you can't put enough gems on, so I'm putting some gems on my face and body and just going in and painting my hands. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!